day 3. I just want you to breathe in for another moment for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding your breath at the top. Slowly letting it go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is your